Putting a new female end on extension cord. I'm actually making my own. I had a male end on it already. I'm going to make a shorty because we're not buying one. This is extension cord rated wire. You might want to check this before you're making a cord out of another cord. This one passes the test. It's the right rating. UL rated 16 by 3. Okay for a printer. So what you need a female end. It's a Levitron brand. They used to be made in the North Country. Now they're made in Mexico. Okay, better than China. So you need that. You take it apart. You have to match up your wires. You're going to have to peel back this insulation, which is pretty hard. You wind up nicking the wires over there. Luckily it didn't cut all the way through. Now you got to wire it up. Gold is black or hot. The silver is the white, and green is obviously green. And then you just gotta strip it back, cram it in there, feed this through there first, and yeah, something like that. Now strip back your wires. You want to strip back your wires after because you have to feed this thing through it. It's kind of challenging. Now open up your connector ends. Put the wires in accordingly. You know, strip back your wires. I like to twist them. Could put some solder on them too. There we are assembled. Before we do this though, we're going to check this at the other end to make sure that everything's lined up correctly. Okay, it checks out. I was going to cut that 90 off and just put this one on. Yeah, I'm making my own cord because I have so much shit. You might as well just make stuff to your size. It's fine. 15 amps, only for a printer. UL rated. It's good. Some people are scared to do this shit, but there we go. Let's go crank it back together, and hopefully it works. Okay, completed, and that's one heavy-duty female cord end, and that's a cheap factory one, and that's a heavy-duty male end, which is going to come off if someone ever wants to buy this. How did this all start? Well, we bought a cheap wire on eBay. It was a piece of garbage made in China, and I said, let me just make my own. So I did. Better. So like, subscribe, make your own extension cords, don't go on fire. Make sure that the cord is rated for what you're doing. This is SJT wire. That's okay. They make S something else, SVT or something. What was this? That was SJT wire too. And SJTW is another rating, I think, off the top of my head. But just research extension cords and the wire and the amps and everything else, what you're using it for, the casing, what it's rated for, oil, whatever, weather, and you'll be okay. Make sure it's UL rated too. Sometimes you buy cords, they don't even say that, or RU, it's the same thing. Alright, that's it, done. Oh, so you didn't think it worked, huh? See, there it is, printer cable, printer, look, it's powered on. Good.